I'm on my way to Harley Davidson for the little meet they're doing. And it's windy as fuck. I'm cold. I'm so cold. Oh! I should have rode on the back of my dad's Harley. I'm fucking cold. I can't bear my fingertips. Oh my goodness. I'm freezing cold. I can't feel anything. I'm stiff. I'm very stiff. My jacket isn't jacketing. That's for damn sure. I'm about to pull over and do some jumping jacks. And I still got like 30 minutes before I'm there. Oh my god. I fucking love Buzz. What can I say? Woo! That wind pushed me right there. God damn! Bang, bang. Oh, the popo. The popo. Oh my god! Bow, bow, bow. So the popo. Did anybody else see? Tap my helmet. Can you see me in the reflection of the car? Poop. Hello. Popo. Nobody tell him I'm driving with an expired permit. Shh. It's okay. Nobody watches my videos. Besides Kaylin's mom. Hi, Kaylin's mom. Oh, let's see if these people like Buzz. You like Buzz? I think I just made a fool of myself.
My poor tires.
Yeah, they're bald.
Oh man. That'd be alright.
You can buy those next.
Only like $300. No big deal. We're gonna teach you how to do that too. It's not hard.
No?
It's easy.
Here's Jacob. He's teaching me how to rev match. Also, there's a nice little Corvette he just passed. Really nice. Also, I don't have my microphone in, so my mic quality probably is garbage right now. Shout out to Jacob. He's been helping me out a lot. I know the wind's bad too.
Pull it down, kinda. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then like you have to take all the wiring and stuff, take the lights out of this shit, and just like gut it. Pretty much like just take it all the way apart. Take that shit all apart, and then it's great.
Yeah, you like Buzz Lightyear?
I love it so much. Behind the scenes, it is so good.
Thank you.
So much. I just yours is actually fun because I'm just scared of it being like overheated.
No, she's good.
Y'all have a good one.
Have a good one.
Let's see if I can get some buzz action. They liked it. I gotta get a 360 camera so you can see the people's reaction, because I can see it at the corner of my eye, and if I can see it at the corner of my eye, then that means the camera is not getting it. Alright, we're gonna try the rev match that Jacob taught me. We're gonna try to, we're in third now, we're gonna try to get in second in a second. Second. Slow down a little bit. Oh man, I was about to go up. I need to go down. Yeah, go around me, car. So clutch, rev, down. Ooh! Nice. Thank you, Jacob! That was smoother. It's way smoother than what I've been doing. Still shitty. Like, I didn't do it as smooth, but the way that he taught me, I'll definitely get it once I do it all in one smooth action. But I did like clutch, ooh, rev, and then downshift. So yeah. That sounds so much better. I think those people said they love me. What the fuck? I have not been here since 2014. Yes, I am old. The fuck? Speed bump. Boop. What's happening over here? ROTC, they still got the pull-up bars. It's crazy. This is where I always was in high school, right here. ROTC. ROTC. The good old ROTC. Pull-up bars. Woo. Good times. Fun fact that... Never mind. Never mind. Good times. Good times. Not really.